How to hire a professional YouTube automation team on Fiverr. Want to grow a successful YouTube channel, but you simply don't have the time to do everything yourself? The secret top creators use isn't working harder. It's hiring a dedicated YouTube automation team. Here is how you can hire a complete professional YouTube automation team on Fiverr today. Running a channel alone leads to burnout fast, but a streamlined digital workflow is your solution. Quality content requires multiple skill sets. Outsourcing allows you to maintain your health and sanity. Turn your channel into a streamlined content machine while keeping full ownership and creative control. When looking for the right YouTube automation expert on Fiverr, here is what you need to look for. First, prioritize full-service offers that bundle scriptwriting, editing, voiceovers, and SEO under one roof. Second, always review their portfolio for high-retention editing styles and thumbnail designs that catch the eye. Third, look for proven communication and positive buyer reviews to ensure a reliable partnership. A top-tier partner understands audience retention and growth strategies, not just basic editing. Here is how simple the process is once you partner with an expert. Step 1. You choose your niche or your specific topic idea. Step 2. The automation team handles the script, voiceover, and editing tailored to your niche. Step 3. Receive ready-to-upload files with optimized metadata. Then just approve and watch your growth. Ready to take your channel to the next level without the heavy lifting? Click the link in the description below to connect with top-rated experts on Fiverr. Launch your hands-free channel today and start seeing the results you deserve.